Hey everybody, Kerry here from Babs Speed Warehouse. I'm going to be showing off today my two favorite Xuron pliers. One of them is the Tweezer nose pliers. Got a nice thin nose, we'll show you what it does. This one looks like it's a little used because it's mine, I'm not selling it. And the other pliers is actually a cutter, it's called the cut and hold. And what this does is keeps the wire that you cut from shooting across the room. You're working with a lot of gold and stuff, it's pretty good not to have the gold shoot across the room. You cut it and you open it, and we're going to give you a demonstration on how both of these works. Now, Xuron is made in the United States. These are really top quality tools. Those of you that don't know the Xuron name, they make for the modeling industry and for the jewelry industry. They also make some crimpers and some other tools that we do carry, but these are my two favorites. And now we're going to go and give you a demonstration on the two of them. Hey everybody, I'm back, and today we're going to feature two of my favorite Xuron tools. This is the Xuron Cut and Hold. Let me zoom in. This is what they call a lead retainer. So when you cut it, it doesn't shoot across the room. You can see it over there. They also call it a cut and hold. This will do up to 1.3 millimeter soft wire like gold or silver, or 16 gauge. Made in the US. And the other one, and we're actually going to do this one first. This is my personal one. I don't want to take one out of a package because we don't have a lot of these. This is known as a Tweezer nose pliers. Look how thin that is. And this is really good for working with prongs. It does a whole ton of stuff. But with prongs, you can lay it, and I can't see. Let's focus. Okay. We can lay it right on the prong and adjust the prong. Is that better? So you can lay it and move the prong without marring the prong. There's no serration in here. Just lay it right on there. There you go. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Boy, that's blurry, isn't it? There we go. I could center that prong whatever I need to do with the prong. This really comes in handy. Again, thin, strong, American made. Just a beautiful pliers. And why is my camera not focusing? It's really not happy, is it? There we go. All right, now let's go to the cut and hold. Here we go. Let's get this out of the way. Maybe it'll focus correctly. There we go. So you know how when you're cutting the wire and it shoots across the room and the guy at the other bench next to you really hates you and you've got gold all over the floor? Watch, we're going to cut that. Look at that. Look at that. Now if I want to get rid of it, I just open it up. That's it. Let's go and do that again. See? No shooting across the room. American made. Excellent quality. Let's see if we can not be blurry. Boy, the iPhone really doesn't like that. But you can see we want to open it and it falls right out. I've got 7 of these in stock. I only have 3 of these in stock for now. We have more coming. They're 25 bucks each, and you know where to get your stuff. Babs and Curry from Babs Speeds or Babs Speed Warehouse. Thank you. Guys, have a great day.